The 2023 NFL Pro Bowl is here. It is this weekend, and for the second straight year, it's gonna be in Las Vegas. And I'm gonna show you how you can stream it either for free or for super cheap. All right, let's get into the video. Now, the NFL Pro Bowl is the NFL's All-Star game. It's when the top 100, actually I think it's 88 players, when the top 88 players showcase their skills. And for the first time this year, I don't know how I feel about it, but for the first time this year, they're going to be playing flag football. And you're gonna have the coaches of Eli Manning for the NFC and then Peyton Manning for the NFC. Now, the NFL Pro Bowl is gonna be on Sunday, February 5th, but they are gonna have events all weekend. Now, the Pro Bowl is gonna feature some of the top NFL players to ever play this game. Now, there are going to be a lot of players that aren't playing, whether they're getting ready for the Super Bowl, whether they're recovering from certain injuries. But players like Patrick Mahomes, Josh Allen, Jalen Hurts, they are not going to participate in the Pro Bowl. But you are going to have players like Tyreek Hill. You're going to have players like George Kittle, Christian McCaffrey, Justin Jefferson, Devontae Adams. Like the top tier talent is going to be participating. And every year the NFL Pro Bowl at least produces a couple highlights that you just cannot look away from. Now, the NFL Pro Bowl is going to be simulcasted on ESPN, on ABC, and on Disney XD. Now, if you do not have a cable subscription, how you can stream this bad boy is on ESPN Plus. Now, ESPN Plus is ESPN's new streaming service, and they do have a limited amount of content. They also have a huge backlog catalog of a lot of documentaries, a lot of cool stuff that you should definitely check out. But we all know why we go to ESPN, and that is for their live sports. So in order to watch the Pro Bowl, you either need a cable subscription or access to ESPN Plus. Now, how do we get access to ESPN Plus for free? Well, there's a couple different ways. Now, the first and simplest way of where you can get access to ESPN Plus is through Rakuten. Now, if you sign up through Rakuten, which is a cashback service, so when you buy stuff through Rakuten from places like Macy's, like Walmart, when you sign up for services like ESPN Plus, they give you cash back. Sometimes it's percentages, other times it's dollar amounts. But if you've never used Rakuten before, if you use the link in the description, the second you spend over $30, they will give you $30 back. So everything that you bought will essentially be free, which will include the ESPN Plus subscription. Now, that is the first way, and that is to sign up to ESPN Plus through Rakuten. That's how you get that for free. A second way is through Pepper Perks. Now, if you have no idea what Pepper Perks is, it is a Dr. Pepper's rewards program. Now, when you get a certain amount of points, you can redeem those points for certain things. And one of those things is ESPN Plus, a 1-month subscription to ESPN Plus. And you only need 40 points, which is essentially just a couple packs of Dr. Pepper. So if you're a fan of Dr. Pepper, you already have Dr. Pepper, just log those on into Pepper Perks, and then you can get ESPN Plus for free. All right, and then the last way where you can watch the Pro Bowl for free, and that is through getting a TV antenna. Now, a TV antenna, just like in the olden days, they pick up all of your local channels, which is gonna include CBS, Fox, NBC, and it's going to include ABC, in which the Pro Bowl is being simulcasted on. Now, TV antennas range from like $15 all the way up to like $100 for the best of the best. But there's one that I recommend on Rakuten. That $30 TV antenna will be free once you get that $30 back. So as long as you spend $30, you get $30 back. Now, I personally have a TV antenna. That's how I'm gonna watch the Super Bowl. So I highly recommend getting a TV antenna, not only for this, not only for live sports, but you get all of your prime time shows. You get all the content on CBS, all of the content on ABC, all of the content on Fox. Like, you get everything, and you don't have to pay $1 after you get this device. It is fantastic. All right, and that's it. That is all I got for today's video. If you have any questions on anything that I said, either hit me up in the email description or just drop a comment. And if you're still here, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.